How to set up TikTok creator account step by step. So the first thing that you need to do is simply install the TikTok application on your phone through your app store. After doing that, all you need to do is simply open a TikTok. After opening your TikTok, you can tap on your profile icon right here. Then from here, we'll get into the login page, from which if you do have an account, you can simply log back in. Or if you don't, then you can tap on sign up option right here and sign up through your phone number, your email address, your Facebook account, your Apple ID, or even your Google. So after signing up for TikTok, that's all you need to do. So unlike Instagram, TikTok does not actually have any kind of account type like Instagram does have the account type, some like business account, creator account, or personal account. So TikTok actually don't have that. All you need to do is sign up, and that's how you can become a TikTok creator on TikTok. So after doing that, if you do want some TikTok features to get unlocked, you need to remember that you should fulfill the requirements. So for example, if you want to have the creator reward program, you should have at least 10,000 followers or plus, and your video should at least have 100,000 plus views within the last 30 days. So for the TikTok shop creator, you should have 1,000 followers, you must be 18 plus, and for the live gifts, you should also have 1,000 followers. So after following all of these requirements and terms and conditions of TikTok, you'll be able to become a proper creator on TikTok, and that's it.